Okay, let's go a little deeper now, because there are a few moments in real life where this difference really matters, where choosing the right one changes how you sound, how you feel, how the other person receives what you're saying.
The first moment, making offers and promises on the spot. Imagine someone is struggling with something, carrying bags, understanding a direction, fixing something, and you want to help. You say, I will help you, not I am going to help you, because going to suggests you planned to help them, which sounds a little strange, like you woke up this morning and thought, today I will help this specific person.
Right. Will is generous. Will is warm. Will is spontaneous kindness. I will help you. I'll call you later. I'll take care of it. I'll be there. These are real-time promises, real-time offers, born in the moment. Beautiful.
The second moment, predictions. And this is where it gets interesting, because both will and going to can be used for predictions, but the feeling is different.
Right. If you have evidence, if you can see something, feel something, know something that points to the future, going to feels more grounded. Look at those clouds. It's going to rain. You can see the clouds. She is studying so hard. She is going to pass that exam. You can see the effort. The future is already present in the evidence.
But if it's more of a general feeling, a belief, an intuition, a guess, will feels more natural. I think it will be a good year. I believe things will get better. I am sure you will find the right path. No specific evidence, just a feeling about the future, a hope, a belief.
And both are beautiful. Both are real. Both are things humans say to each other every day. It's going to be okay. I can see why. It will be okay. I just believe it. Both are comfort. Both are care.
Okay, I want to do the participation moment because I know you are listening and I want you to speak, even just to yourself, even just quietly.
Say it with us. Ready? I am going to keep learning English because I have already decided to. Say it out loud.
And now say this one. If I make a mistake, I will just keep going. Say it. If I make a mistake, I will just keep going.
Did you feel the difference in those two sentences? The first one, a decision that is already in your heart, a plan, a commitment, roots in the present, going to. The second one, a response you'll give in the moment when the moment comes, spontaneous, brave, will.
Both of those sentences are true. Both of them belong to you. Keep them. Use them.
Okay, emotional check-in. Jamie, real answer. What is one thing you are going to do, planned, decided, roots already growing, and one thing you think you will do spontaneously, without a plan?
Oh, okay. Real answer. I am going to take a proper holiday this summer. I've already been looking at places. I have a short list. The intention is real. That's a going to future. It has roots.
And the spontaneous one?
And I think I will probably call my dad this week. I don't have a plan to, but something about recording this episode, talking about futures and plans, it just made me think of him. So I will call him sometime this week. I just decided.
That's a really lovely answer, Jamie.
Thank you. Your turn.
Okay, I'm going to start a new creative project next month. I've been thinking about it for a while, and I finally decided. That's my going to. And I think I'll make a really big cup of tea the moment we finish recording this. Because I didn't plan it, I just want one right now. That's my will.
The tea you will make is already calling to you.
It really is. Okay, ask yourselves the same question. What is your going to? What is already decided, already growing, already on its way? And what is your will? Something you might do spontaneously, in the moment, without a plan. Just think about it, or say it out loud, or write it down, because your future, in English, deserves to be spoken.